So in this episode we've got another unboxing, and it's another Street Fighter character from Jada, and it's Bison. He was originally a non-playable character in Street Fighter 2. He's not the end boss, but I think in Street Fighter 2 Champions you could actually play him. So these are fast becoming my new favourite line of modern toys. I have already done an unboxing of Ken. I'll leave a link to that in the description. And I've also got Chun-Li and Ryu recently. And I've been waiting to get hold of Bison for quite a while. And Dal Singh is the next one I'm waiting for to come back into stock in the UK. So, first thing I notice is his head. This spare head is loose. Bought this from Smith's Toys. I think it was $23.99 or $24.99, but that was with free delivery, and it was 1 to 2 days, and it turned up in 2 days. So, right, let's crack on. So packaging is the same as the other ones. I do like the arcade bit here, and the artwork on the side and on the back of the character. Yeah, pretty much similar to all the other ones. I do keep the boxes, and I do have them out on display at the moment, but at some point they will return to their box to keep them nice and clean. But for now, I like having them out on display and posing them. There's so much posability with them. It's really good. So right, let's crack on with this unboxing. You can hear the head rolling there. This is always a nervous bit, trying to get it out of the box without damaging the packaging. Yeah, it's tight. There we go. Patience. There we go. That's got him. Over there. Have all the usual bit of paperwork, which is all the little warnings of small parts. So, and recycle your packaging. Right, let's have a look. There's a bit of instructions in this one about how to put his cape on. Didn't know that. Right. Stuck anywhere else? It's on the side here, isn't it? Yeah. Just undo these. Let's see what we got. Well, there's the loose head, sort of the angry face, as you get the alternative expression. Oh, that's quite nice. That's one side. And always we have his stage, which I really like. I like the way they've just taken the pixelated graphics and used them. I think that's really nice. Right, let's put that back over there. First look at his cape. It's got wire in the bottom, so you can actually pose it, put it in different positions, and all the way around. And it's kind of like I'd say like a vinyl, yeah, like a thin vinyl covering, but shiny on one side. I think it's matte on the other by the looks of that. Yeah, very nice. Okay, what are these instructions? How to install shoulder pads. Secure the shoulder pad at the front, push down firmly to the back until it snaps securely in place. To remove the shoulder pads, start from the back of the pad and pull towards the front. Okay. Right, let's release these clips and get them out. That's his hands, his alternative fists. A nice little bit of articulation there. Same as the other figures. Get that out of the way. This is his power fist. That's quite nice. I like the colour. That's all good. Shoulder pads. And I did notice, yeah, they're marked left and right, so you know which side to put them on. Very crudely left and right, but they're still left and right. Now let's get him out. So, feels a bit awful getting that out, but that's fine. There we have him. Yeah, it feels solid, like the other ones. This is really good. I really like this. Okay, so yeah, he's a little bit stiff. Oh, his arm's all right. Yeah, and it's just the joints. Yeah, okay, not too bad. The Ken figure I had, his joints were really stiff to begin with. A bit of posing there. That's a good shoulder joint, that one. I've loosened up a little bit. So, yeah, articulation in the fist, the elbow, the shoulder, bicep. Yeah. Oh, yeah, lovely bit of articulation. Same on the legs. Not so much on the feet on this one as you can on the other characters, but I suppose that's because he's got the boots on. But still a little bit there. Very nice. It's definitely got a weighty feel to it. Let's change his head out. See how easy that is? Yeah, very easy. I quite like the sterner face actually, than the angry one. I'll leave that in for now anyway. Let's change out the fist. Actually, before we do that, let's put the flame on it. Yes, that looks really good. Kind of like the purple translucency of that one. Okay, we'll try the shoulder pads in a minute. Yeah, so let's have a look at the fist. Yeah, come out really nice. Get the right one. Yeah, secure. Nice. Now let's follow the instructions. So to take them off on the shoulder pads, to get the plain ones in, let's remove his cape. So it says push at the back. I'll take off. Oh, that was quite easy actually. Let's put that there. That's his right shoulder. Now it says put on at the front, I'll push it, clip at the back. What am I doing wrong? Clip at the front and then clip at the back. So it's facing the back when you put the right. So I was trying to put the right on, them facing to me there. So it's actually the left. So you've got to do it from the back. There we go. So let's drop in it. So start the front. Start at the front and clip at the back. Oh, it's probably a little bit trickier. The one went on fine. Okay, we're on. We're not, we're off. It doesn't stay on. There we are. No. Interesting. Put at the front, push at the back. Is that on? No, it's flying off everywhere. Right, that's gone under the table. I'm going to have to dive under and get that now. This could be all of course, user error, but I don't think so. They're going to stay on? Well, it's finally stayed on, so yeah, that was a bit tricky, a bit disappointed about that, but got there in the end. So I'm preferring with the cape on actually, so but I suppose it's nice to have the option, isn't it? Right, well, yeah, I think he's going to pose quite well. Get him in some poses, and yeah, I'm really liking these line of toys. I love the posability of it, the nostalgia of Street Fighter as well. Yeah, absolutely love them. So yeah, I'm glad I've got this in my collection now. And it's Dalsim next, and there's some more lines coming out. They just released some images from San Diego Comic-Con a couple months back, so we should be getting some more characters soon. So I can't wait to have them in my line as well. So hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, please hit like and subscribe. I've got some more videos coming up shortly, and yeah, for now, take care now, and I shall get him in some poses. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.